So good day people, it's me Franz Kingston with yet another video. And of course in this experiment, that is experiment number 7, we're going to see how to create a machine learning model using AutoML. So what is AutoML in the sense? Let me get to the next slide. So AutoML is a stuff we just train the model automatically, like without any human setting on it or training on it, or like configuring the parameters, etc. So this is called AutoML. So in this experiment, we're going to try to train a machine learning model automatically. So no manual algorithm selection, no hand tune, no hyperparameter tuning, etc. So the AutoML tool which you're going to use is TPOT, that is tree-based pipeline optimization tool. So there's like a tree. So as you know, as you might see a tree structure, we just try to use generic algorithm in order to see or search models or search the parameters which best suits the model or give us the best accuracy, or maybe give us the best F1 score in that case. So let's get into it. And of course all the things which we needed is pandas in order to load the data, manipulate the data, and of course some pre-processing of data could be done using pandas. And of course this scikit-learn, it is used to train and test a model, also used to split, to measure, to get metrics like accuracy, F1 score, confusion metrics, all this stuff. And of course the main thing here is TPOT. It is the AutoML evolutionary search engine, or let me make it as simple. It is the searching parameters or a sliding window, or maybe something that could just give us the best algorithm which suits for this particular problem or something. Of course we have installation code over here. And of course, if I step pipeline, let us see. First, we need to install all the libraries at the scikit-learn, pandas, and TPOT. We also load the iris. Iris is a data set of flowers, and of course, we just split it into X and Y. And of course, we just train the model using the train test split. I just in the PPT, I just didn't mention the train the model. And of course, we just create a tripod in order to get the best model. So yeah, so these are some snippets about AutoML stuff. So you can see that AutoML classify over here, that is the depot classifier function, which gets file generation, what is the population size, what is the verbose, what is the random state, etc. And of course we just fit a model like model.fit. No, we also use AutoML.fit. So this is what depot achieve is successfully identifying model. Let's train the model end to end by end to end, and of course getting the best model. So deployable output, this is the this final artifact will give us the best Python script, or maybe the best model in order which could be used easily for directly to deployment. And of course why AutoML matters is that it just reduces all the manual task of just hypertuning the parameters, maybe selecting the good features or the bad features, removing bad features in that case. And of course it reduces our work, right? So this is how the TPOT work away, that is tree based by pipeline automation tool. So let me show you the code. Yeah, so this is the code which we're going to use over here. And of course we use warning in order to just print all the warnings or stuff like that. Yeah, we have a dataset load iris dataset from sklearn datasets. Of course we just select train test split from sklearn model. We also have metrics, that is accuracy score. We have job lab in order to store the model, and we also have system in order to system configuration. We just filtering the warning with status ignore. Maybe like if it is not a critical stuff, it's only the warning no, log file. So maybe the terminal output which give us warning will be ignored. So that's why you use a warning over here. And of course we just export TPOT from try and accept, trying to import it, and if it fails, just clearly say that TPOT is not available and we need to install it. And of course we create a function over here, we just load the data set, we just split it over here, and of course as we see in the code snippet, we just configure AutoML, that is the TPOT classifier. We just fit on it and we just print the accuracy stuff over here, and of course we need to export it, as you can see here, else we need to try another configurations. So let me try running this application, that is Python 3 run tpot.py. So it's starting the tpot. Yeah, so we got best accuracy, that is one, and we just saved the best model as best pipeline dot job. So that's it for today's video. See you on next video. Bye.